Are you tired of hair and skincare products that just don't work and sit in your bathroom forever? Or how about those toys and children's books that don't look like your children? Or countless other products that are clearly not made with African Americans in mind? Wouldn't it be great if there was one place you could go to find and buy high quality products made with African Americans in mind and be able to support Black-owned businesses along the way? I'm Brian Williams. I own what will turn into the next African American Amazon marketplace. My business is an online shopping mall filled with businesses that are Black-owned, Black servicing, or both, and it's called PurchaseBlack.com. To be honest, I'm gonna need to screen. To be honest, I wanted to name it BuyBlack.com, but that cost $25,000. PurchaseBlack.com, $12. I can make excellent business decisions. African Americans have unique tastes and preferences that are underserved by the market. There are 27 million of us, and we spend over $3 billion online in the categories that Purchase Black sells. And online buying is growing at 5% every 3 months. However, only 3% of marketing dollars go towards African Americans. That means the other 97% go towards products that clearly don't represent or meet the needs of African Americans, leaving us to buy hair care products that don't care for our hair, art that doesn't represent our culture, children's toys that don't look like our children, and products that generally don't meet our needs. PurchaseBlack.com solves this problem by being the one-stop shop where you can go to find and buy high-quality products made with African Americans in mind in categories like hair care, skin care, gifts, art, clothing, accessories, NPHC fraternities and sororities, Masonic items, greeting cards, and much more. You don't have to be Black to buy or sell on the platform. However, Black-owned businesses get a label on all of their products, so you can make your own intelligent buying decisions. And we're always adding new businesses to the site, which means there are always more products available. We earn through commissions on sales and through retailing. Later, we'll earn through advertising and other services. We work with small and medium-sized businesses to sell their products directly through our site, and we work with wholesalers to offer the larger brands and products. We are not a directory. PurchaseBlack.com sells products directly through the site, and we guarantee each shipment or your money back, guaranteed, no questions asked. Also, our prices are the same as what they'd be anywhere else online, and we ship just as fast for many of our products as Amazon, eBay, Etsy, and many of our online competitors. And we're the only place online that has an African American focus where you can clearly buy products that support Black-owned businesses, which we take great pride in. We'll use this investment to attract more small and medium-sized businesses, as well as to help our marketing and advertising efforts. You know, National Black MBA was founded on several principles, one of which was the promotion of African American economic wealth and empowerment. PurchaseBlack.com is the bridge between the $1.1 trillion buying power of African Americans and the businesses that care about us, securing the wealth of the African American community. So investing in us isn't just investing in our business. It's investing in the author that makes the children's book with the Black superhero. It's investing in the hair care product company that makes the one conditioner that actually works for your hair. It's investing in the Black businesses that support Black people, the businesses that hire African Americans at a 300% higher rate than anyone else. Investing in our business is like investing in the African American community itself. So as an African American, investing with us is investing in yourself. So invest in yourself with PurchaseBlack.com. Thank you.
All right, judges, challenge.
Take a deep breath.
I know.
How do you make money?
We charge a commission on sales on every sale on the site, and we also retail ourselves. So for the products that come from small businesses, say they sell widgets and they're a small business, we charge a 10% commission on all of their sales. However, say if we want to sell Carol's daughter, they're not going to run a small shop on our site. So we'll work with a wholesaler and get the drop ship percentage on every product sold through theirs. So we have our own store, and each business has their own as well.
How are you handling shipping?
The businesses fulfill on their own, just like with Amazon and eBay.
Okay.
And with my products, I drop ship them. So the wholesalers send to the customer, I collect the order and then pay the wholesaler on the back end, which is why I can guarantee each shipment because I can return the money before I pay it out if something goes wrong.
So, great ideation. I'm going to jump into customer discovery a little bit. Have you done any customer discovery around the differentials between how many consumer-based products that are owned by African Americans that you can offer on the platform versus service-based products on the platform? And then if the products do not exist, have you thought about addressing the lack of startup capital that these businesses require to even get to market to get on your platform?
Those are two questions. I'll address them both. The first is asking about the types of products that may or may not exist. There's a split between product and service businesses with African Americans. Mostly service businesses. I believe there's somewhere in the range of 70% of black businesses are service businesses. So out of that, we take the black product businesses that sell within our 5 categories: hair care, skin care, gifts, art, clothes, and accessories. So for those businesses that do exist, they tend to be highly concentrated in the skin care and hair care sections. So I discovered those businesses with a little bit of magic and a lot of word of mouth. So that's how I find them. As far as the businesses that aren't ready to sell online, I also own PurchaseBlack.org, which is a place where we create content to help businesses that sell a good product but don't know how to sell online. And I give them some of my engineering expertise to teach them how to get ready for our pipeline to sell on the site. Did I address every part, or did I miss?
Yes, and I want you to repeat. You said you're using some of your engineering, right?
Yes, some of my engineering and business expertise to teach them how to get online and to sell properly.
Impressive. Good.
Thank you, sir.
Well, young man.
Ooh, I'm nervous.
And I still want the second part answered after he asks his question.
Firstly, you epitomize my concept of I don't bet on the horse, I bet on the jockey. I would bet on you.
Thank you, sir.
But I have a question. 2 parts. One, would you be willing to accept advertising from companies A, B, C, D, whatever, that could offer your viewers products such as Marriott, FedEx, McDonald's, blah, blah, blah? Are they
an additional source of revenue for them.
as another revenue stream? That's number one.
Okay.
And I hate to ask this question in this brilliant, beautiful black audience, but you know, black and brown makes green.
Amen. Amen.
Think about it.
Indeed. For your first question, when I talked about how we earn, I said commission on sales and retail, and then I said, and later, advertising and additional services. The advertising piece is what we don't offer through the site now because you can't put advertising in a box and ship it, or any service in a box and ship it. But because we know our audience, we scale at 500% more African Americans come to my site than in general online. So a Nationwide, a State Farm, a Marriott interested in black customers can easily advertise to the audience that we pull into our platform. So we're dressed, if you're from Marriott and you want to advertise on PurchaseBlack.com, we'll be happy to have you. And concerning your second comment where, you know, black and brown does, I mean, a dollar is a dollar. It's agnostic of who spends it. But I want to respect the African-American shopping experience. I've been to too many stores where I've bought hair grease from the bottom corner of the shelf where there's dust on it. I want to treat my customers with respect, so I want to make sure that I focus on my niche such that I'm not competing with businesses that compete at a bigger scale.
So,
30 seconds.
what would be your exit strategy?
I intend on keeping the company. I would like to IPO maybe in the later days and maybe offer some shares of the company to the general public, but I would like to hold on to it. If ever I wanted to be bought out, I would probably look at someone like a Connection Hub, or maybe possibly Alibaba, or someone who already has like a cultural reach into different markets that can understand how to service a cultural segment.
Suppose Amazon would pay you more than they would.
Well, can they service my customer better? I imagine to keeping some of the equity in the company as well.
Now,
All right, time. Thank you. Wow.
So, Apoorva, you're going to make the announcement of the fan favorite.
A drum roll, please. First of all, I want to congratulate everyone. It takes a lot of guts to get on this stage. And kudos to all of you for all of your hard work. And the winner is Brian Williams from PurchaseBlack.com.
he will win $500. Now, can we have that and a 2-night stay and a registration to Black Enterprises Entrepreneur Conference? Congratulations. You got a big check. All right, Jesse, do you want to make the announcement of the winner?
Okay, I think some of the suspense is probably already gone.
There it is.
So the winner is Brian Williams, PurchaseBlack.com.